Eins.
On a day like today, there is nothing I can't do. There's a smile on my face and I'm filled with gratitude. Everything feels right right now. This must be what life is. And I wish that this could say that I could always feel this way, that I could hold on to the